Let's make our own construction site.
We've got the tools to do it right. We'll crush and mix, smash and scoop. Like real construction equals do.
The Big Steam Roller.